Outside. Super good night.
Independent.
I say you call it? Independence happy. Independence happy. Anyway, we're outside and Uncle Chipper go do just where you know what normally do. He expert. So I go on. Out and about.
I am a Jamaican.
Close look there. If you see that, you know what time it is. Remember, I like the video, share the video. Me and Uncle Chip outside for a minute. We just there and say, yo, you know, it's our independence, and we just go pop off something. We can see what going on in our community. So, we stick around for watch exactly what will take place.
Thank you.
See, my set up in thing. And as a matter of fact, let me show you around meantime. Because you already know the Jones, guys. Look here. So, what go on? Independence. This is Buff Bay, Portland. Representing Portland, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, so. See there? You know that drone here? That drone here named Skyview. Uncle Chip, tell them, what, look here.
One. No. Next time before I'm renewing that style.
I say go on. Alright guys, we're there, stick around to see how man rise up the drone. So as soon as the drone go up, you know, see a straight drone footage you now go see. Yeah man. Uncle Chip drone is taking off. Yeah man, the drone start off and now and see kids them are not coming and get excited. We have some kids come around and telling us, which channel is your favorite channel again?
Strawberry Squad.
Strawberry Squad?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yes, Squad.
Okay.
This is like green, bruh.
Okay.
Cool.
Alright, so me and Uncle Chip there as usual. Yeah, man, I'll do the right thing. I'm not gonna record the kids with this camera, so probably you guys will see the drone shot. Yeah.
You're gonna need a phone.
You know what I'm going?
The man's alive. Wait, let me see.
No.
Oh.
I give him out. Nice. So see what I go on, the kids them jump out and I question me. See me have one camera then I'm on. They are going. I see John I go give one a little circle through the Lynch Park, Buff Bay, Lynch Park. Yeah man.
Jamaica, land we love. Well, I don't know about you, but I love Jamaica.
Football match about to start. See them have them like coach, them have them meeting there so. And see the bands play them there. Big up. Yeah man, as usual. We are going to show them around the right way. So this is the main stage right here with the bands them and thing. See box them there. Yeah man, scrolling through. I'm not looking for nothing nobody I don't know in a crowd. I see a few people. What me know, me not call no name. Yeah man. It is a lovely, lovely night. Yeah man, see football match start now, finally. I would have Ronaldo, you know. Alright, see there. Ronaldo, you lose the ball, you're soft. Come, Lionel Messi. Take your ball and go score. No. You're not going good. As in get the ball and lose it to backside. Alright, go and go score, my boss. Go and go score. John, no. Hard tackle that, you know. Score now, no. Jaja youth. Man, and lame, man. Man, move like them hungry, so. When you're weak, man, you know, come and play a ball, I could see. Play a ball, no, man. When did I hold up the game? When you're tired and the match just start. Who trouble, no? The coach on the ball. Alright. Look like it's a free kick, this. Alright. The Coach a discipline him. Coach said, don't move me. I drop the ball and you have to move after I drop it. Alright, ball. On the right wing. Good. Yeah, man, that boy, they defend that. Anyway, guys, remember, like the video, share the video, and subscribe if you don't like the outdoor adventure. Yeah, man. Man, just run up and down on the field. Have a drone busy. See, keeper lazy up there, say keeper want sleep. No goal, no fire. No shot, no fire for the goal. Come on. We don't get the keeper busy, bro. No foul, no, man. Kick. Bush. After a stance, he must score half and half a goal. Come on, don't play ball, man. Full time now, no score a goal. Brother. Well, I want to play bungle too. Them man, like them all lay up the football.
A nice place to live. See down, the only problem is fellas now run with the money in your pocket.
Go them man and move some man. Play ball no man. When me had 16 no man and 18 and 20 no man. Me run up and down on the field there. Me run past the whole of them defender there no man. Hot ball, you know. Hot like a drops. Flag man, our offside. Tell me. No, it's not an offside. Opponent ball. Alright, come throw in. Ball. It's a good ball you get, boy. Man, give a ball to blow. It's in a park full though. In a park full, man. I will for people over a long time. Not as much people come out. Kick away ball, yes, my boy. We are down in the field. Hard tackle that, you know. And clean him up. Out and about. We don't need no trouble. What we need is love to guide and protect us all. We don't need no trouble. Oh no, no, no. Come on, play ball, my boy. You can't lose the ball, you say no, bro. You get fouled. A free kick, that is not big free kick, you know, I want to go there, you know. If me see good. Cross the ball, let me see if you're hot. Oh, don't fall. I never see that. Play a ball. I see it, I know, see goal, I know. Banger! Let me see what you got now. Let me see what you got. Waste the ball, brother. Cut the ball, so yeah. Left him. Match I lame though. Follow the match, I drop asleep. No, he keep and I get busy. Me watch the match and I feel like I want to sleep. Anyway, independence is all about run up and down, and, you know. I say happy independence to everybody who watch this right now. So what I'm about, come through in fast and keep the ball rolling. Yeah, Miggle the ball one. Long time for Miggle the ball now, bro. I see that now. Banger. Bush. The man Bush, the ball, open goal, the man Bush. Charge you out. The man are not easy. Don't tell me I comment if the man can play ball, guys. I not discriminate still, but don't tell me if they can play ball to save their life. So we are giving a high sky view, you know. I not do much talk, I just want to see. Look how the man gets small. The drone there about 200 meters high now, going 300. Probably go to around, probably zoom it up and to around, fly to around 350. We're getting a lot of warning signal. So, we'll just go and stick around, guys.
Joguei a botão, você.
Cough him.
You feel so? Guys, don't tell me in a comment. Yo, in a real life still, you know. Me miss the back. Yo, guys, you know, so me miss the old back in the days when we used to shoot bird and then sit in my yard.
Shoot bird, used to shoot bird.
You never used to shoot no bird, my yard.
Right now.
Why did you
Just make them tell us up on a bird shooting competition.
Alright, guys.
Uno
son go do a bird fishing competition between me and Uncle Chip.
Bird fishing competition, I say.
So not repeat to me, say.
It's a bird fishing competition. Bird ever fly yet I want school a bird and look out and 5 out there. And a marble.
No, unless I this me I use.
Marble use to that.
Bird fishing competition. Yo, that me the one what that me say until after you say it, you know. Yeah man. All my people here, guys, Independence Day. Yeah man, we're there at the big park, nightlife in Portland. One Uncle Chip did this so. And it's still around this one. That's why I feel love Jamaica. So we're there. We're there. This is my Jamaica. Me kind of host, you know.
Still sound good, man.
This is the land of my birth. This is my Jamaica. Me crack up. Anyway, guys, me there and me just say yo. Me any more reason. And we are left it the raw cut away, as usual. Raw. Yeah man, it final up with the night and one come and sit down and relax. So we just want to make you know, say, don't forget to hype up the video.
Come on, you know, no rest assured if you look at things while I go on.
As usual, don't. Yeah, man, so stick around for your next epic adventure. This is actually an adventure too. Celebrating Jamaica 64. A 64 year old year. 64. Alright, here what now? That is nice. That me like. You know beat me in a comment. Tell me for 64 or 65. See?
65 years independent?
65? The time me a youth. The time me about 10 years old or so. You do much in time.
13.
You say my 13. So
I used to carry water go up.
You used to carry water go up with you. I used to follow one little jump sometime. You know? Big up still. I want to tell me if you don't like the video.